That's blue light inside over there. Another neon.
I can clear for me after taxes about you already got the blue.
There you go. That's badass.
Check it out. It's a simple little truck, but it runs real good, man. I mean, simple as you can get it, but it runs real good.
We're here with the crew chief for Jigsaw. Hey, sir, what's up with the skull?
Oh, that's called
Is it for Halloween?
my brother's good luck charm right here. Every car has a Punisher skull that he found that skull, so he'll put it on there. Every vehicle does.
What class are you gonna be all running?
Right now we're gonna run little pooch. Little pooch class.
Which is a small tire?
Yeah, small tire. One kit of nitrous.
One
Could be
kit?
fogger, plate, or whatever.
I see.
We're gonna run Jigsaw in there.
What are y'all running? LS?
No, we're not running that. We're running a big block. 500 cubic inch big block.
Alrighty.
That's Tuesday. We're gonna run one stage tonight.
Okay.
29 small tire.
Small
Runs
tire.
pretty good, yes sir.
Alrighty. So what do you think about the weather tonight? It's a little bit chilly.
It's a little bit chilly. It's good. It's fresh though. I mean,
How's the track gonna be on the top end?
well, usually last event it was real good, but it was not as fresh as today. But it should be all right. It should be all right. It should be all right, I think.
Alrighty. It's good to talk to you all. This is the Jigsaw truck, and this is National No Prep, and we'll see what how you all do tonight. Okay. It looks immaculate. Looks very clean. How big of a tire is the NA? Are you allowed?
That's a 29 10 and a half.
Is that the biggest you're allowed for NA?
I think in any you can run. I think you can run any tire as long as the car's in a hay.
Really?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, but yo lo hice carro for a 10 and a half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you have to mini tub it or something?
Yeah, it's mini cup.
Oh, I see. I see the way it tucks in so nice. I'm like, man, you just can't. You probably had to cut it up just a little bit on the inside.
Yeah, it's mini cup.
That's because I don't know a lot about cars. I'm like, hey, it looks too clean. It's got to be cut up inside.
Yeah.
Danny Barra.
No número. They don't have numbers.
Es Jason Cantú. Jason Cantú, Danny Barra.
No.
No.
So they're good,
Yeah, okay.
Wow, man, never mind.
Take it back.
Ahí está.